Hello guys, welcome to TechnoFun, and today we are going to see how to set up Python in your machine. So as you may be aware that Python is open source and it's freely available. You can download it from various websites. There are a couple of ways you can download Python from. There is a traditional way through which you can download just downloading a Python software, or there is another way that uses some IDE to download Python, which basically comes up with embedded settings like some libraries or packages, method, functions with that. So you don't have to manually install them or import them if you are installing Python from a traditional system. So I'm going to tell you guys both the ways how to install the Python. So let's get started. All right, so we have to go back and we have to go to browser. So guys, the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to this website www.python.org/downloads. So basically you can see here there are many links for different operating system like Windows, Linux, OS, Mac. So I'm going to tell you how to install it in Windows. You can click here, as well as you can go to downloads or download for Windows, click this. So as of now 3.7.0 is the latest version in the market. So just click on this button and it will download your Python. So guys, you can see the executable is getting downloadable. So I'll cancel this because I have already downloaded it. So if you go here, so 3.7.0 is already downloaded. And so when this is there, you just have to double click here. So it will ask you to install now. Just click this button and follow the process. Next, it should be quick enough. A couple of minutes should be all right. I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to install it again. So I'll just put the cancel button. And so once you have downloaded Python, you will have to verify like how or when it's got installed. So go to your command prompt. All right. So when we go here, so first of all, you have to see whether Python got installed or not. So guys, you have to just type Python and press enter. So see, it will basically comes under Python shell. So we are under Python shell. That means whatever we type here should be Python interpretable command. So you can see it is showing you the version Python 3.6.4. Actually, I have downloaded this version long back, so I haven't used 3.7.0. So that's the reason it's showing me this version. And Anaconda Inc. I'll show you what this is in short while. So meanwhile, you can see that Python has been installed, and you can see any basic stuff like, let's say, a variable I'm creating a equals to 5 and printing that variable. See, so it's working, right? So this is one way you can install the Python. It's very quick. And if you want to come out of this shell, just press Ctrl Z and hit enter. So now you are in your command prompt again. So guys, if you want to see your version, Python version, without going into shell, you can simply write Python space hyphen hyphen version. So it will show you this Python 3.6.4. All right. So this is one way you can install it here. So once this get installed, this will automatically install your Python IDE. So if I type Python, you can see Python IDE is installed. So just click here. It will take some time to open. So this will be a similar kind of command prompt like interactive system of Python, where you can basically do some stuff, print hello, hello world. Oops. So let's say it's, oh, sorry guys. So let's say it's a equals to 5, print a. So it's working like this. All right. So if you want, but you have to remember one thing, that it's not going to run whole program. This is an interactive shell, so only one command at a time will work. So if you want to write a program, you have to go here, file, just open new file, and just write your program here. So, and then you have to save the file. The file should be saved with .py command. So all the Python program shall be stored under .py, like you can see .py. All right. So guys, this is one way you will be installing Python. So let's see the other way. So the other way is we have Anaconda. So what is Anaconda? So guys, Anaconda is an IDE which provide you an IDE which comes with embedded libraries, packages, methods, functions, all sort of stuff. So once you download Anaconda, you don't have to download any other library or anything. It comes with all the libraries. So Anaconda is mostly used among the developers. They don't basically go with the traditional Python way. They just come to this website, that is www.anaconda.com/download. So when you come to download, click this button. It will show you the Windows specific download. So this is 3.6 version and this is 2.7 version. So guys, click this link, download, and it should download your Anaconda. I have already installed it, so I'm not going to install it again. So when you download it, so it should be installed like Anaconda Navigator. You can see Anaconda Navigator. So just click this link and it should open your Anaconda Navigator like this. So guys, this is basically used by all the newcomer guys who are learning Python, because this is a very good way to learn Python. This is Jupyter Notebook. This is basically a web-based interactive session which Anaconda provides. So all the learning programs can be done by launching this Jupyter Notebook. So let's launch it. When you click this, it will open in your browser. So let's go back to browser. If you can see, it will open like this: localhost colon 8888 slash tree notebook. So guys, this you can see these are your laptop folders, and here if you see upload and new, so this is basically a new shell which you want to invoke like Python. If so, here we are learning Python, so let's click Python 3. So when we do, what is this? Creating a new notebook. Just hold on, guys. If I click here, Python 3. Oh, so we were already clicking that link from here. So I think it got open now. So let's go back here, new, and click on Python 3. All right. Well, so you can see we have this shell here, the cursor is there, so you can write your Python command here. Let's say a variable I'm assigning a equals to 5, and see, you can see when I press enter, it is allowing me to write another line. So that means you can write as many line as possible in this particular shell. That means you can write your program in this shell as well. So but as of now, let's write only one thing, and this is run button which you will be executing for any command. So just click this. So that means it got executed. If you want to print a, just write a and click this button, so it will show you the output. Similarly, if you want to run multiple commands in single shell, so it should be like a equals to 5, enter, b equals to 6, and print a. Guys, we will see what print is. So print is basically to print anything which you want to print. You just provide the variable name or any characters. Let's see, you want to print any character here. So to run, so you can see, guys, it's running a equals to 5, it's printing b equals to 6 and high. So this is one way of writing multiple line of code under one shell. So guys, that's one more thing here. So we have run button to run anything, or if you don't want to click this button, you can follow one shortcut which is shift enter. So like if let's say let's make it hello, and I am now pressing shift enter. So this is another way to execute your program. And if you want to give the name to this notebook, so here you can see the title untitled 2. So you can give any name like Python introduction and just rename it, and that's it, you're done. So this is a one way of Python, using Python at your system. So Anaconda takes care of everything. You just have to install Anaconda from here, and it will download Anaconda. It will install Anaconda Navigator. You have to go to Navigator, and from Navigator you have to launch Jupyter Notebook, and Jupyter Notebook will open this particular link in your portal. So localhost 8889. Here you can see you can open any. So this is basically like one Python introduction. It will get saved if you save it, and then if you want to open any of your notebook, you can go here, downloads, wherever you have any Anaconda related notebooks. So you can do that. All right. So guys, this is another way of installing Python at your system. Now the third way is, there are many ways basically. So the third way is another an IDE specific way. So we have another IDE which is called PyCharm, which is basically used by the pro Python programmers, which are writing big Python programs. So to install that, basically you will have to go to this particular website that is called jetbrains.com/pycharm/download. So guys, we do have paid version here, like free trial, and then it will ask for your payment if you want to use, because it's fully featured IDE. But there is another version called Community PyCharm Community version, which is completely open source free. You can download it. So this is third way you can install Python to PyCharm. So PyCharm, when you install I have already installed it. So if you want to download it, just click this button and it will download and you can install it. So how does it look like? So if you come here, so as you can see, we have a big Python program. So you can write any number of code here, and this is complete full-fledged IDE provided by PyCharm. A lot of features are there, which we will see as we proceed in next videos. And from here you can click new project, new file, open anything. So let's create a new file. If you see new, click file, and let's give it a name test.py. So as I said, we need, it's already exists, so we would need .py as its extension that Python requires. And here you can use a number of rows to run your program. So for example, a equals to 5, b equals to 6, and print a. That's, guys, you can see like it's automatically asking for us. All these are its built-in methods or functions. So this is very handy when you are working in larger project. So people basically use PyCharm when they are working in full-fledged project. So you can use PyCharm here. So okay, so this is my code. When how do we run it? So go to run, and this is ABC. So just click run. It will say ABC, and here you can see it's written print A. So guys, this is how we will be installing our basic Python stuff. So let's see if you guys have some questions, please do write to us. we'll see like how we can resolve them. And if you have any other questions, or if you want if you want some suggestion learning Python, please do write to us. We'll be happy to help you out. And I will be posting another video shortly on Python basic stuff like variable and working with lists and some basic methods of Python. So please guys keep tuned and do subscribe our videos, our channel, so that you come to know when we post our new video. So thank you very much guys, and you are a very good audience. Thank you so much. We'll see you in your next video.